Hey guys, so you've probably heard the term cloud computing, or you've heard me use the term a lot in some of my videos, mentioning it as one of the career paths that you can pursue in tech. And you're wondering, what exactly is cloud computing? How does it work? Are there computers in the cloud? Okay, so I'm here to break it down to you, to tell you exactly what cloud computing is. Think about it like you are renting some compute capacity on the internet, and you're only paying for what you need. So in the past, the way it works is, I need computing resources for my business or for myself. I go to the store, I buy the physical hardware, I bring it home, I store my resources on it, or I do whatever I want to do on the hardware, and I have to keep it, I have to maintain it, I have to make sure it's charged, is up and running, maintain the operating system and all of that. It is my business because it is my hardware. In cloud computing model, basically this responsibility is shifting away from you, and it's shifting to people that we call cloud provider. So the concept of cloud is like, it is abstract, it is not your business how this physical hardware is being managed. Is being managed by some people that have, let's say, like large computers somewhere, and then you can just rent space on their computer for what you need it for. So let's say I need to store some pictures. I don't have to go and get like a physical hardware to store my pictures or to back up my pictures. I can just say, hey, okay, Amazon, you have like lots of computer, you have like lots of space. Can I rent some space for just the pictures I need to store? And if I need to pay, they just charge me for what I store. So I don't have to buy a $1,000 computers just to store 10 pictures. I can just go to Amazon and say, hey, I have just 10 pictures to store. Can you give me the space to store this over this period of time? And I just rent that. And basically, this is how the cloud computing model works. And you're wondering if you've used cloud computing before. Of course, you've used it. You use it when you use your Gmail. Your Gmail is like accessible from anywhere from the internet. It is not hanging somewhere. It is stored on somebody's computer, and you're accessing it from the internet. When you watch videos on Netflix, you are using cloud computing because those videos are actually stored on some computer somewhere, owned by some people, and you are able to access it everywhere. And this is like one of the major benefit or major shifts with cloud computing, that you are able to also like access these resources whenever you need them instantly and from anywhere. You don't need like your physical hardware. You don't have to maintain the physical hardware. It is pay as you go, and you get it on demand, and it's available over the internet, which makes me wonder, why don't just call it internet computing? Why call it cloud computing? I don't know. Maybe cloud computing is more fancy.